I think we all had preconceptions of, cameras in your faces getting in the way, but they didn't actually obstruct us at all. If you've watched it before, you always try, you look at it and you think to yourself, I might have done that different, but I thought it was well shot. It's been very obviously well thought out, and the camera angles and everything else, the subjects, while getting the point across, were tastefully done, and I thought that was lovely. The way that they interacted and the way they treated them and the way that they were respected their dignity in such a tough time. They've not stuck just to like banner headlines, that they've tried to show a true reflection of what comes through the doors within that 24 hours. I think it was a very good reflection of the teamwork that goes off, because obviously being the small part of it, we bring our patients in, we hand over, and generally that's the end of our involvement with patients. We follow up ourselves because that's just pure human interest, but most of the time it's for us, it's done, you box it up, you keep the memories, you learn what you need to learn from it, then you move on to your next patient. So as a reflection per se, I thought it was really well done.